first thing you need to do is decide what your documentary will be about.
Remember, it should be something that's really important to you.
Well, we all really love our pets.
That's a great idea, Emily Elizabeth. But since Mr. Burns is already doing that topic, maybe you should try something else?
But you're on the right track. What else do you three really care about?
We love our neighborhood. The people are great.
Hey, that's it. Our documentary can be about the people in our neighborhood. Great idea.
First, we can talk to Mr. Solomon at his art studio. Oh, and then Miss Grouse at the pet store. And wouldn't it be fun to visit the bakery?
You sound like a natural producer.
I do? Oh, that's great. What's a producer?
The producer is like a team leader. They plan the documentary and make sure everybody knows what to do.
That sounds like Nina, all right. She loves planning stuff.
How do you like that camera, Shun?
Oh, it's awesome.
Then maybe you should be the camera person.
Okay. Camera person. What should my job be?
What do you like to do?
Well, I love to read.
That's perfect.
It is?
You can be the interviewer. That means you read about your subject and write down important questions to ask people.
Okay, that sounds great.
Well, it looks like you three are ready to go.
Okay, Clifford, I've read a lot of books about people's jobs. Now I need to practice asking questions. So you pretend to be Mr. Solomon. Ruff, ruff. Okay, how long have you been painting? Ruff, 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 ruff. I see. And what is it about painting that you like the most? Ruff, 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 ruff. Great answer. Nice talking with you, Mr. Solomon. Now, let's see what it looks like if I turn the camera like this. Cool. Now let's see if I dim the lights. Ugh, very cool.